Peace, y'all. It's Manuel with Return to Spirit, and as you can see, I am fully loaded and ready for Crystal Sounds and Yoga event part 2. Yes. So me and my friend Annette has been putting so much time and effort to this event, and we're just going to give you guys a sneak peek of the layout and what people have in store for tonight. So this is where our lovely, lovely guest will be laying down. Before and after the event, you have exclusive handmade crystal jewelry, rings, necklaces, and bracelet from Return to Spirit, made by yours truly. Get a nice piece of those. And this is where the magic is going to be happening. We have sound bowls, we have native flutes, we have rain sticks, we have chimes. It's going to be a lovely night, y'all.